What's up, everybody? And today we're looking at the Skull Glider manual razor. Now, this is from Bold Shave, and I did a video on their new electric head shaver. I'll have that link down in the description. You can check that out once you're done with this video. Here is my initial thoughts on this razor, now that I have it unboxed. It is weighted. There is a bit of a weight in the handle. It flexes. You have five L-shaped blades on it. You have a dual lubrication strip and a precision trimmer. Now it is hinged, so you are going to get some hinginess. Now it's very, very springy, so it will come back really quickly. My only kind of concern, or I don't know if I'll call it a concern, my only thing I'm interested in is when you actually unconnect this, the receiving end on the replacement cartridge, it's all plastic. Nothing new, a lot of them have that. The way it clips in, you're gonna have to be a little bit more mindful. You have to line things up a little bit to fit it in. But other than that, my initial thoughts are, looks great. You got a rubber grip on the bottom here, and it feels decent in the hand. Can't wait to actually shave my noggin with it. So what are my final thoughts on the Skull Glider razor? And that is, it checks all the boxes for me. One, more than 3 blades. This has got 5. It's got the precision trimmer. It's got a pivot head, detachable cartridge. It also has a weighted handle, and it shaves your head. This price point is a great price point to be as a extra tool in your toolbox if you're an avid shaver, and especially as a head shaver. Combine this with the electric shaver that they have, and this gets those little areas that are hard to get. Maybe you want a smoother shave in some areas, trim up behind the ears. This is just that finishing piece, that extra tool that you'll love.